Welcome. In the today's lecture, I will discuss about programming in both C language as well as in Python language. So before starting the lecture, I want to tell you that if you are watching my video in Android application of YouTube, it may be available maximum up to 240 pixel. Okay, so I will suggest you to watch this video with the help of Chrome browser in desktop mode. Okay, if you use the Chrome browser in desktop mode, so I can assure you that this is a full HD quality video. That quality you can watch there. Okay, but in the Android application it may be show up to 240 pixel. Okay, low resolution video in Android application, so prefer Chrome browser in desktop mode. Okay, let's start the lecture. The program is that a list or a array will be available to us. There some elements are present 1 2 3 4. The output should be in such a way that in the output there will be another array that will show the square of the numbers. Okay, so we want the output as 1, square of 2 that is 4, square of 3 that is 9, square of 4 that is 16. We want this as output. So at first pause the video and try to solve this code in yourself, then go to the comment box section and comment. After that starts to see the video again. Okay, so let's start writing the code. Okay, so I need a for loop. Inside that for loop, the for loop should be run from 0 to length of this array. Okay, in each element we need to square each element. So I am taking a for loop. For suppose I am taking a variable p equals to 0. The condition is that it will go up to the length. So at first we have to define the length. Okay, suppose I am taking a variable p and taking another variable l, in which variable the length of the array means how many number of elements are present inside the array, that will be stored in the variable l. So in C language, how to define the length of a array? L equals to, there is a function, inbuilt function named size of. Okay, so size of the array means how many bytes present inside that array. Suppose 10 bytes, the size of the array is 10 byte. If we divide the size of the array with the size of the integer, so it will give the length. Suppose the array is 10 byte array and size of integer is 2 byte. So if we divide 10 by 2, it will give 5, means 5 number of elements are present inside the array. So size of x divided by size of integer. Okay, close the bracket, keep the semicolon. So p equals to 0, p lesser l. Why lesser l? Why not lesser equal? As because if the length is 4, means 4 number of elements are there. So 0 to 3, 0 1 2 3 4, so less than l. Okay, then p plus plus, I will increment p by 1 after each iteration. Okay, then what we have to do? P of x equals to the square of p of x. That means we can write in this way, p of x, that is p of x multiplied by, star is used for multiplication in C language. Okay, p of x. Okay, you can also use the power function. For that purpose you have to include the standard input output header file, not that, the header file named math.h you have to include. Okay, all the definition regarding the mathematical operations are present inside the header file math.h. Okay, so after that operation we need to print the array. How to print the array? Another for loop is required to print the array. So for p equals 0, the condition is same, p less than l, and it will continue p plus plus. Okay, so we need to print the each element of array. So I'll write the printf function. All the elements are integer type, so I am using %d space. I am separating the all elements with the help of space, comma, p of x of p. X name of the array, p is the index. Okay, semicolon. Let's run this and see any error is there. Okay, one error is present here. Okay, the error is that semicolon is missing here. Let's run again. See, 1 4 9 16. Okay, 1 2 3 4, the square is that 1 4 9 16. Okay, let's try to write the code, same code in Python programming language. Obviously the Python programming language is a very simple and easy language, okay, than the C language. So here we will also need the for loop, but our advantage is that in Python language we no need to declare the variables. Okay, so start the for loop. For here range function is used for v in range. Starting point is 0, ending point is that length of x, len function. This function l should be in small letter. Okay, len function indicates the length of the array. So length of x, if length is 4, it will go up to 3. Okay, because the ending is excluded from the loop in Python language. Colon is should be present there. Okay, now you have to make the square of each element. So I am writing, that should be x of p, x of p, this element equals to, I need a first bracket, x of p multiplied by, if I use double star, it means to the power, x of p to the power 2, it will show the square. Okay, square is done. Now we have to print the array. In Python language actually it's behave like a list, it's called the list. Okay, so I need to print the element of the list. Print function, not printf. Here only print is used for printing the elements. Print x, no need for loop here. Okay, internet connection is required for running this compiler. Okay, so let's run. Okay, let's run the code. 1 4 9 16. Okay, so comment in the comment box section which language is more easy for writing this code. Okay, thank you.